Viewers, today we are going to discuss the periodic table. So by the end of this topic, you must be able to define a periodic table. You must also be able to state the features of the periodic table, and you must be also able to describe the general distribution of elements in the periodic table. And finally, you should be able to state or identify the family name or special names of some group elements. Now let's start. First of all, a periodic table. So what I have here, this is 20 elements of periodic table. That means I only have 20 elements in my periodic table. So what is its definition? What does it mean when you say this is a periodic table? So a periodic table, it is a chart which shows the arrangement of atoms according to their atomic number. It shows the arrangement of atoms. These are the atoms. The arrangement of atoms according to their atomic number. Example, you are going to see that in the first row here, I have hydrogen, which has atomic number 1, and helium, which has atomic number 2. In the second row here, I have lithium, which has atomic number 3, beryllium, which has atomic number 4, the boron, which has atomic number 5, carbon, which has atomic number 6, and nitrogen, which has atomic number 7, oxygen, which has atomic number 8, fluorine, which has atomic number 9, and neon, which has atomic number 10. Then in the third row, I have sodium, which has atomic number 11, magnesium, which has atomic number 12, aluminium, which has atomic number 30, silicon, which has atomic number 14, phosphorus, which has atomic number 50, sulfur, which has atomic number 60, chlorine, which has atomic number 17, argon, which has atomic number 18, and the potassium, which has atomic number 19, and the calcium, which has atomic number 20. That means I only have 20 elements. So these elements have been arranged in this part of the chart according to their atomic number. That means if I'm in period number, if I'm in row number 1, I need to count 1, 2. Then I go to row number 2. Then I say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'll go to row number 3. Then I'll say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then I'll go to the last one, which is 19 and 20. So this is the 20 elements of the periodic table. Then now let us look at the features of the periodic table. The features of the periodic table. So you're going to see that we have the columns here. These columns, you can see you have column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In each column, there are the elements, meaning that columns, they are called the groups. These columns, they are called the groups or families. So this is family number 1 or group 1. This is family number 2, or you can say group 2 elements. This is family number 3, family number 4, family number 5, 6, 7, up to 8. So that means in each group we have the elements, or in each family we have the specific elements. These elements were placed here according to their physical and chemical property. They have the same physical and chemical property. We are going to see that in group 1 we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, and potassium. In group 2 we have beryllium, magnesium, and calcium, up to group 8, meaning that they have the same physical and chemical property. The other feature is the period. So period, these are called the rows. The rows here, this is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. That means these rows are called the period. So this is period number 1, period number 2, period number 3, and period number 4. So they are in period number 1 because we also have some properties which are almost the same or similar, and so on. So this period, they just show the number of shells in which each atom is going to have when you draw its atomic structure, and so on. Then after that, let us see the general distribution of elements in the periodic table. The general, how are they distributed? So we're saying that this is the group 1, this is the group 2, up to group 8. But we're going to see that in group 1, if you remove hydrogen here and remain with lithium, sodium, and potassium, these are called metals. You go to group 2, beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. These are also called metals. And you go to group 3, we have aluminium. It's a metal. That means apart from hydrogen here, if you take group 1 elements, group 2, and aluminium here in group 3, these are called metal elements. These are metal elements apart from hydrogen here and boron. But if you come to boron and silicon here, silicon and boron, they are called same metals. Same metals. So boron and silicon, they are called same metals. From there, after that, we have carbon here. Then we have group 5 elements, group 6 elements, group 7 elements, group 8 elements, and the hydrogen here. These are called non-metals. Non-metals. So we have hydrogen here and the carbon here, and all groups 5, 6, 7 up to 8. These are called non-metals. So remember, we have metals here, semi-metals, then non-metals. That is the general distribution of elements in the periodic table. From there now, let us look at some of the families or special names of group elements. Families, family name, we can call it family name, or special names of some group elements. So we only discuss only group 1 elements, group 2 elements, group 4, and group 8 elements. That is according to our syllabus. So group 1 elements, they are called alkali metals. That means their special name are called alkali metals. When you say alkali metals, that means we are talking about lithium, sodium, and potassium, apart from hydrogen or except hydrogen. Then we have group 2 elements. Group 2 elements, we are talking about the beryllium, magnesium, and calcium. That means group 2 elements, they are called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Then we have group 7 elements. Group 7 elements, that means of fluorine and chlorine. These are called halogen. Their special name for group 7 elements there is called halogens. Then we have group 8 elements. Group 8 elements, their special name is called noble gases. Noble gases, that means we're talking all the elements in the group 8, which is hydrogen, neon, argon. So these 3 elements are called the noble gases. So that's it. Now I need you to answer my question in a comment section. This question should be answered to show that you have learned. So the first one is define the periodic table. From what you have learned, can you define a periodic table? The second one, give any 2 non-numerical elements from the periodic table. What are non-numerical elements from the periodic? Any, just give me. Then finally, so what is the family name or the special name of group 1 elements? The family name or special name of group 1 elements. So I'll check your answers in a comment section. Until we meet again, have a nice day. Thank you.